Hello and welcome to part 2 of the Class 150 special, and today we're going to be looking at the Class 150 central trains. So, first things first, let's go to the makeshift tripod. So, first of all we're going to be looking at the Class 150 Centro dummy unit. Start off at the front, and I think the front looks a lot better than on the Northwestern one, because for a start it does seem to have more detail. We've got a very nice painted snowplow, and we've also got these metal mesh plates where they stand and metal handrails where they hang on. And the number is 150-125, and it's going to Snow Hill via Solihull. It's got warning stickers in the window and some seats for the drivers. Well, the driver and perhaps the guard. So, moving along to the side, we've got this very nice part of the livery. We've got metal handrails. We've got the Centro logo just there. And then we've got the Central Trains, wording. That's where the probably disabled bikes and pushchair owners would go, because they look like collapsible seats, and you can see right through the logo. Underneath detail, it's pretty much the same as the Class 150 Northwestern. Bogie detail, it's just a bit better because it's got these red things just over the axle boxes and that symbol there. And if you can notice in the far right there are two horns. I think they're on the Northwestern one, but I'm not entirely sure. The livery on this one I think is one of the best Class 150 liveries. It's very nice and bright and cheerful. I've got a blue band that runs right the way down the carriage, or DMU. We've got the very nice appley green colour, and then the very striking yellow doors. Just there we have the button that you press to open the doors, and then in the middle of those two windows is the orange indicator light. And I finally know what this orange line is for. It's to warn you that there may be overhead live wires above you. The end detail, again, is very nice. Got the mesh exhaust, but unfortunately that doesn't carry on, because I think it's to give thing for that. The exhaust pipe runs along there, and I think that must be the engine. It must. I'm not too sure what they are, but we've got the Bachmann logo, made in China. Oh well, at least the Chinese can make really good things like this. Very, very good and highly detailed. And at the back we've got the website www.centraltrains.co.uk. I don't think Central Trains exist anymore. I think it's been taken over by London Midland, I believe. Let's have a quick look at the power car, as it is really, really heavy, because it's got that gigantic engine or motor inside. Again, the detail is very good. You've got the two horns just there again. And where is this one going to? Dorridge via Solihull. Got a lamp hook there, and then the coupler, and then the lights do light up. Cab detail isn't very good, unfortunately, because of the gigantic motor. As you can see, just through that window, there's not much cab detail. You've got metal handrails again, and then a step. And bogies are much fatter and bigger and bulkier because they have to be powered. And I really love the Class 150 by Bachmann. It's I think it's one of the best DMUs Bachmann have made, because they are just really, really highly detailed. But I do know various other ones like the 101 and the 108 are very good as well. But somebody's got the streamer out, so I better finish. Goodbye.